Virgo, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing and abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is attention. It's time to pay attention to the small things, and it's going to be very easy. Just slow down, look to your left, look to your right. You're fighting many battles. You're going to have victory with the wars. Don't worry about the future. Don't worry about the past. Stay in the present moment. For your victories are your battles. That's going to help you in longevity when you go into your next season. Put these tactics in your backpack. Put these thoughts, these strategies in your backpack, in the back of your mind. So you transition into this next season of victory. So when tests and obstacles come in, you'll know how to fight it. You'll know how to react. You know, as we say on this page, the smallest screw in a table, once it falls out, it jeopardizes the stability of the whole table. It can fall apart. So it's the small things. Take value in the small things because they make a huge difference. I'm attentive to all that manifests within me. When negativity arises within me, I transform it into light, love, and hope. Let me say that again because we're magnets, rules of the universe. When negativity arises within me, grudge, anger, resentment, doubt, I transform that into light, love, and hope, positivity. Make sure you transfer and expel all the negative energy to make room for love, light, and hope. Therefore, blessings, breakthroughs are in your way, and you expedite your blessings coming your way. My life and my love for others is unconditional. I forgive. That's huge. Being able to forgive frees up so much space to be positive, be joyful. It takes a lot of anger away. Forgiving, once you can forgive others, the universe can forgive you. And then also, it frees up so much space to fill in with all that love, gratitude. Therefore, bigger blessings are coming your way, and you turn life from surviving into living. My desire to improve is constant. I'm firm, brave, and hardworking. Let me tell you, negative energy only brings tests and obstacles that's going to prove to you why you should let these things go. Don't hold on to them. Let it go so you don't have to go through the test. Positive energy, breakthrough, life, and abundance. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.